Hey y'all, it's Ray here at Parkside Kia. I'm here with the 2022 GT2 Stinger in pearl white. As y'all see, this vehicle did get a refresh from our previous years. We have now changed the logo to our new Kia logo, making a big change, striking a big movement here. We still have our tiger nose grille up front and our dual projection headlights. This vehicle is well equipped with heads-up display, forward collision, and rear cross traffic, and many more features. You also do have your 360 view and your blind spot view monitoring as well. There's a lot to go over here, so we're gonna cut this to a couple videos, so I'll see y'all soon. Obviously still our twin turbo V6 dual scroll turbos. This is sport tuned to 368 horsepower, 311 foot-pounds of torque, all-wheel drive, 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. This baby has plenty of power. We do have our strut braces here for better control and handling on here. As y'all see, the new Stinger has gotten these 20-inch wheels, multi-spoke with gloss black and the aluminum trimming on the exterior. Really nice design, especially fitted with the Brembo brakes still equipped on this vehicle for amazing stopping power. This vehicle is wrapped in Michelins, so beautiful vehicle, beautiful tires, beautiful rims. As you cut down to the side, you see we still have our chrome here, and with our blind spot camera view poking out right there, perfect and nicely there. Still keyless entry on the passenger side, now fit in a rubber touch instead of the old plastic. As y'all see, the redesign definitely did not skip out on the interior with our new design door cards here with our 4-stitch stripes there. The new Kia logo perfectly put on the steering wheel here, and our new 10.5-inch display. You do have blind spot camera view equipped on this one, and still a beautiful European styling interior. There's a lot to talk about in here, so stay tuned. As y'all see, this definitely has gotten some nice new features added to it with the 10.5-inch display up here, and now we also do have our blind spot camera view, which has been needed for years, and it's finally here. As y'all see, Kia also added our 3 new gauges, one for oil pressure, one for traction, and the other one is for our turbo, so you're always knowing what's going on with the vehicle. Our 10.25 display is huge, definitely fits here perfectly, not intrusive at all, and definitely very intuitive. So we're gonna have a lot of things here, such as our drive modes. We still do have our memory seats, and whenever you flip it into sport, these bolsters love to tighten up. As y'all can see, this has been totally redesigned in the rear with our new full LED taillights, not fitted with halogens anymore. As you can see, the rear valance down here packs a much bigger punch with the much bigger exhaust tips, and our rear valance down here now goes from 2 to 4 from the previous generation. Definitely a lot more aggressive now. Still beautiful European styling as always, so come down to Parkside Kia, give me a call at 865-531, and make sure you ask for Ray, and I'll be here to help you to get you to your brand new Stinger. I'll see you soon.